The Beech Forest Butter Factory. The Beech Forest Butter Factory opened for business in 1902. With over 60 suppliers from the district's dairy farms, and with the arrival of the railway, there was ample justification for the establishment of a butter factory. A large timber building was erected and a brick well was installed, which is located to the left, now covered by a timber deck. The plant comprised of a 10-horsepower steam engine and boiler, refrigerated cream pump, butter worker, chums, cream vats, and butter printer. Following production, which at its peak processed about 200,000 pounds of butter under the Fernleaf brand, the produce was sent to Colac, Geelong, and Melbourne. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing for the factory when farmers began bypassing Beech Forest by putting their cream directly onto the train when the 1911 train line extension to Lavers Hill came into operation. This meant the farmers could earn an extra farthing per pound of butterfat. The company went into liquidation in 1912 and remained idle for some time, resuming operation to include rabbit carcass and ice-making production until 1918. The building later became a stable and grain storage until 1937 when a fire destroyed the building. However, the well, which has Heritage Victoria listing, remains to this day. Images on this sign include Wagon and Beech Forest Butter Factory in the background from 1925, the Beech Forest Butter Factory logo, and a photograph of the Beech Forest Butter Factory in 1904.